How to check your credit balance on Temu. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can check our credit balance on Temu. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to check your credit balance on Temu, you need to follow up this method and you can do it. For that, you can open up the Temu app first, and once you open up the Temu, you should be finding this dashboard on your screen. So from here, you can go ahead and locate this option called You in the middle of the screen in the bottom, and you will be led towards your page. So once you are here in the top, you can easily find the credit balance right under your username. You can just go ahead and tap on it, and when you go ahead and tap on it, you should be finding your credit balance right here. So that is it. That is how you check your credit balance on Temu. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.